Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make kodo millet or arika idli in my Royal Kitchen. We don't feel hungry when we eat millet food. We feel like our belly is filled with more food, so we can lose belly fat and cholesterol by eating millet recipes. Keep yourselves healthy by substituting rice or other carbs, fats by millets. Millets have very low glycemic index, releases glucose slowly into the blood, controls blood sugar levels. They are gluten free, easy to digest, rich in antioxidants like polyphenols, contains vitamins like vitamin B6, niacin, folic acid and minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium and zinc. Regular consumption of kodo millet is very beneficial for postmenopausal women suffering from signs of cardiovascular diseases like high blood pressure and high cholesterol levels. There is no need to give up the food you love. Just replace one or two of the ingredients with millets and you will end up eating tasty, balanced diet that's nutritious too. I will show you how to make this arika idli or kodo millet idli in my Royal Kitchen. Before going to proceed, I want to make a request. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support for the promotion of my channel. Let's get started. To make arika idli or arika dosa or kodo millet idli, we have to take 1 cup of black gram, 1.5 cup of kodo millets. To this add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash all of them to remove the impurities from the ingredients with 3 to 4 waters. Now soak them for 8 to 10 hours or overnight by covering the lid of the vessel. I have soaked the ingredients for 10 hours. Now let us grind all of them into a smooth paste. I have grounded everything into the smooth paste. Now let us transfer the entire batter into the vessel. To this batter add half a cup of idli rava. Wash it and add it to the batter. I am adding the rava to the batter. Now mix all of them well into a homogeneous mixture. Keep it aside for fermentation overnight. On this, put a weight. When fermentation takes place, our batter may not come out of the vessel, so that I have kept the weight on it. I have kept the idli batter for fermentation for overnight. Let us check it whether it is fermented well or not. See, our batter is very well fermented. The bubbles are formed in it. Now let us transfer some of the batter into another bowl. To this let us add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add the rinsed water of the kodo millets. Mix all of them well. To this add 1 tablespoon of probiotic curd, that is sour curd. Here I am adding. Mix all of them well. Now let us take the idli mold, grease it with oil so that when we make idlis they may not stick to the molds. Now let us pour some batter on the molds. Like this we have to pour the batter. Now let us place all the idli plates into the stand like this. I have kept the water for boiling in the idli stand. Now let us place the idli plates into the idli vessel. Close the lid of the vessel. Keep the flame in medium and cook for 10 minutes. See, the vapors are coming from the idli cooker. The whistle also coming. So that means our idlis are ready to eat. At this time we have to stop the flame of the gas. Don't open the lid of the idli cooker. Keep the idlis inside for 5 to 10 minutes to maintain the carry over cooking of the idlis. Now let us check whether our idlis are cooked well or not. Take the stand out of the cooker. Now with the help of a spatula, let us demold the idlis like this. See, it has come out without any damage. See, they are very well puffed up. Like this we have to demold all the idlis and place them into the serving plate. Eat these idlis along with some chutney. Now our yummy delicious kodo millet or arika idlis are ready to eat and serve. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you. Our idlis are very soft. I will show you by breaking one idli. See, they are very well puffed up and cooked very well from inside also. They are soft and puffy. Make these idlis and keep yourselves healthy by eating these idlis.